Okay, so I'm in my pole barn and you can see I've got one bar. So I need to improve that, so that's why I got this. Just in general, we're going to aim this at our nearest cell phone tower, which I have a general direction of where that's at. And then we're just going to follow the steps. We're going to connect the outdoor antenna to the indoor booster using these cables, and then connect the indoor booster to the indoor antennas, and that's it. So I'm back in the same spot and I got 3 bars, so this thing works.
Subscribe and click the link below for the full step-by-step video and the Amazon link to ensure you get the exact product. It really helps the channel by using that Amazon link at no additional cost to you. We'll see you in the step-by-step video.